Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. I have a tip for you how to fix those coils. You know, on those old Odyssey 05, 03, 06, they have a problem with the tab on the spark plug ignition coils. See that tab, how it breaks? Those, like some of the Toyotas, have the same problem. So it did break on those. So this is what we do with them, is hold it really good, put a zip tie on it, and look, if you try to pull it out, you can, but it's pretty hard. It's almost like having a tap. You see that? It's not going anywhere. So that's the advice. If you have a trouble with those, put a zip tie like that on it. That will solve your problem. It take care of it. It won't come off, and save yourself having to go and buy a new harness for the coils. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.